Hey everybody, as requested, I wanted to show you my nighttime routine for maintaining my wash and go. And quite honestly, I do this with all of my styles, so hopefully this is helpful for you. This is so simple and really quick to do. All I do is divide my hair into 3 sections. I start with the front center portion and divide that into a fairly large ponytail. And then I take the sides and back, divide it into 2 so that I can have 1 ponytail on each side. Once you have your 3 ponytails, you can either sleep in a satin bonnet, but for me, I sleep on a satin pillowcase. And then the next morning, I start by removing the 2 ponytails on the side, and then I lift and fluff with my pick, and even pull down with my fingers to position my hair as desired. With my sides and back the way that I would like for it to look, I remove the large ponytail in the front, shake it out, and then lift and fluff at the roots. I'm going to continue lifting and pulling the hair in place until I achieve the desired shape for this look. Now that I've removed any spaces from the ponytails that I slept with overnight, I then want to add some shape to the front. So I'm going to install 3 bobby pins just so that I could have kind of a bang and layered effect. This is going to give me a really nice shape and dimension for my wash and go. And that's it, a really simple, easy way to maintain my wash and go. I'm able to get at least a week out of this style, and I don't have to add any additional product. I hope this video was helpful. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!